With so many tablets on the market today, which one is going to be the best for you? Hey, what's up guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be doing a quick comparison between this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. Over here, this is the Google Pixel Slate. Let's check both of them out. Both of these tablets are from well-respected companies. Over here on my right, you have the Google Pixel Slate. Over here on my left, you have the Galaxy Tab S4. Now, I'm not going to do a full breakdown. I'm just going to compare both of these and tell you which one is probably going to be the best for you and your buck. Now, you notice I just sat 2 pens down. Out of the box, Samsung comes with the S Pen. Out of the box, you are getting this S Pen right away. Now, you're not going to have to pay anything extra. The price on this is $649. Price on this, $799. Screen size over here, 10.5 inches. Over here, you get a 12.3 inch. But you have to go and buy this. This is the Google Pixel Pen. This is going to run you another $100. So on top of the $799 that you just paid, you got to pay another $99 for this. So keep that in mind. Over here, you're getting 64 gigs on board. Over here, 64 gigs on board. Now, you have a screen over here that is a 4K quality screen, 6 million pixels, blah, blah, blah. Over here, you got the best of the best. You have Super AMOLED display. You're going to get vibrant colors. You're going to just get a great picture over here. Not knocking this screen over here on the Google Pixel Slate, but when you have an AMOLED screen in a smaller, more compact size, you're going to get a better picture, hands down. Moving next to speed. Speed and productivity are going to be some of the biggest things that we're going to be looking for on these tablets. I have the YouTube app over here, and over here, this is basically a Chromebook. So it's not really a YouTube app. It's going to bring us to the full site. Let's tap them. So right away, we see that we have more speed over here. This screen was lightning fast, lightning quick. It took a minute for this to load up. So let's try that test one more time. I'm just going to tap them both and see what happens, see who loads up the fastest. So this time they were both about the same. Both are really quick though. I mean, you didn't have to wait maybe 5 seconds, maybe. They're both great tablets. Just for the price over here, $649, $799, you get a little bit bigger screen. Both of these have the quality, the capability of being connected to keyboard cases. But for your money over here, I picked Samsung Tab S4. Nothing against the Google Pixel Slate, but over here with Samsung, you're going to get the better screen quality. You're going to get the same productivity, and you're also going to be able to take advantage of the full Google Play Store. Now, you do have Google Play Store over here. You do have Google Play Store app, but all of these Google Play apps are not made to run on this Chrome OS. So remember, this is not just a Android-based device. This is a Chrome OS, a whole operating system that was specifically developed for a Chromebook type device. So you're going to have to kind of move around that and download specific apps that will help you through that. For both devices, you have USB Type-C input on here. Here we go. You have a hard drive. You can use the hard drive with either device. Now, we mentioned that both devices have 64 gigs onboard storage. The Tab S4 has a micro SD card slot. Over here, no micro SD card slot. Over here, Samsung has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Over here, you're going to need one of these, a USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter. So this Samsung tablet is a little more convenient. Speaker quality is a little better. You have top firing speakers and bottom firing speakers, where on here you just have 2 front firing speakers, one on each side. Basses and highs are more crisp over here. Over here, once you turn it up so high, you get a little muffled. Both are great tablets in their own way. Both are made by great companies. just at this time, I'm gonna rock with the Samsung Tab S4. It's got everything I need, plus it has a 3.5mm headphone jack and expandable memory. What more can you ask for? Plus, S Pen comes in the box. Shout out to Samsung for that. You're gonna pay $100 extra for this one. So that's been my little comparison of these two tablets, these two giants. Please be sure and check out my comparison to both of these tablets to the iPad. Check that out. And be sure and give me that thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.